Ever looked at a photo taken in the snow or through heavy fog and wished it was clearer? Or noticed how videos become blurry when motion is fast? That's where image restoration comes in, tech that fixes visual imperfections so we can see details more clearly. Today, we're diving into cutting-edge research that's revolutionizing this field. Let's start with the basics. Image restoration isn't just about making pictures prettier. It's about recovering lost details caused by noise, blur, or weather. But how do researchers tackle this? They're using AI models designed specifically for the task. Let's meet some of the stars of this story. First up, NAFNet. This model is like a lightweight superhero. Instead of complex operations like RayLU or softmax, it uses SimpleGate, a straightforward multiplication trick that makes it fast and efficient. Trained on datasets like GoPro for blur and SIDD for noise, NAFNet excels at sharpening edges and reducing artifacts. Then there's MWFormer, built for weather-related challenges. Think snow, fog, or rain. It adapts to different degradations, like a chameleon changing patterns. When tested on snowy and foggy images, it reversed light scattering effects with remarkable precision. But here's where it gets really cool, Meta-Deblur. This model doesn't just fix blur, it learns why something is blurry. If a photo is out of focus due to camera shake or motion, Meta-Deblur identifies the exact cause and reverses it. It's like giving AI a detective's toolkit to solve visual mysteries. So how do these models work? They're trained on massive datasets of degraded and perfect images, learning to spot patterns and reconstruct details. For example, NAFNet might analyze thousands of blurry photos to sharpen edges, while MWFormer studies how fog scatters light and reverses that effect. But here's the twist, not all restoration is equal. Traditional techniques like sharpening filters can add artifacts or distort textures. These models, however, are designed to preserve natural details while fixing flaws. And the results? Let's talk numbers. NAFNet boosted image quality by 12% on average, while MWFormer achieved 90% accuracy on weather-related issues. Meta-Deblur. It's so effective, it's being used in real-world applications like satellite imaging and autonomous vehicles. So why does this matter? Imagine a self-driving car seeing through fog, or a doctor analyzing a blurry X-ray. These models are making AI not just smarter, but more reliable in real-world conditions. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about functionality. Now let's talk about the tools behind the magic. Take SUPIR, which uses text prompts to guide restoration, like saying, "Fix this blur but keep the trees in focus." Then there's Diffbir, which tackles noise in 2 steps. First, it removes noise, then rebuilds details, like cleaning a muddy window and refilling the glass. And Daclip. It combines a language model, clip, with a diffusion network to handle multiple issues at once, like a team of experts fixing a broken photo. When tested on datasets like MMMU and MathVista, these models showed unique strengths. SUPIR crushed debluring tasks, while Daclip excelled at snow and fog. But even the best models have limits. Complex distortions still trip them up. It's like giving a robot a puzzle with missing pieces. It can guess, but it's not always right. So why does this matter? Imagine a self-driving car spotting a pedestrian through fog, or a doctor diagnosing a patient from a blurry X-ray. These models could be the difference between a mistake and a life-saving decision. And here's the kicker. They're designed to run efficiently, meaning they don't need a supercomputer. Your phone could power them someday. But here's the catch, AI isn't perfect. This research shows models still struggle with the unexpected. It's a work in progress, like learning to ride a bike. But the good news: scientists are sharing their work openly, so anyone can build on it. From better telemedicine to clearer satellite photos, this tech is paving the way for a future where AI sees the world and understands it. Next time you see a fuzzy photo, remember, scientists are turning that mess into clarity. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and let's keep exploring how AI can make our world a little sharper. See you next time.